Imagine pushing the pedals of a bike. Your legs move up and down, but the wheels spin in circles. That's because machines can transform motion, changing how something moves to make it more useful. Some machines change the direction of movement, some change the speed, and others even change the plane in which motion occurs. Without these transformations, many machines wouldn't work the way we need them to. One way machines transform motion is by changing direction. A pulley is a great example. If you pull a rope down on one side of a pulley, the other side moves up. This makes lifting heavy objects much easier because you don't have to pull directly upward. The same idea is used in bicycle brakes. When you squeeze the handle, the brake cables pull in a different direction to press the brakes against the wheel. Machines can also change speed. Have you ever noticed that when you ride a bike, switching gears makes pedaling easier or harder? That's because gears help control speed and force. A small gear turning a big gear makes the bigger gear spin more slowly, but with more force. A big gear turning a small gear makes the smaller gear spin faster, but with less force. This is how machines like clocks, drills, and even cars adjust speed to match the job they need to do. Another way machines transform motion is by changing the plane of movement. A drill is a perfect example. When you press the button, the motor inside moves up and down, but the drill bit spins in a circular motion. This transformation allows the drill to create holes smoothly and quickly. Similarly, a sewing machine moves the needle up and down, but the thread moves in a loop to stitch fabric together. Even the steering wheel of a car transforms motion. When you turn the wheel left or right, the car's tires move in a different plane, horizontally instead of just rotating in place. This transformation of motion helps the car go exactly where you want it to. Machines work by taking one type of movement and transforming it into another. Whether it's a pulley changing direction, gears adjusting speed, or a drill changing motion from up and down to circular, machines make work easier by controlling how movement happens. The next time you ride a bike, open a door, or use a tool, think about how motion is being transformed right in front of you.